Remember, autumn outfits key is layering.
Roar, lols, roar.
I work in a science lab. Guy who's never been anywhere, like it's just a shirt. Never pair a flannel with dungarees. You will look like a farmer. I look like a farmer.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My sincerest apologies, Zara Larson, but the summer is actually over, and I think we're all in need of some autumn outfit inspo. So today I've got 5 autumn outfits. Now, before we start, I will say 2 of these outfits I've already worn. And not me giving a disclaimer. People do outfit repeat, and that's okay. You guys have already seen 2 of these outfits if you follow me on TikTok or Twitter. Or streams, because I've worn them. And I think these 2 outfits have actually inspired me to make this video, because I was like, wait, I'm cooking with these. So I've included them in this video, but all the other outfits we're gonna make up together. So let's start with my favorite, the Domo outfit. Let's go. Okay, so allow me to explain this piece of art right here.
The main pieces in this outfit was this hat and these like arm warmer things I got from Vintage. I know the browns don't match before you say anything, but it's okay. First off, I always like, boom, I know I need to wear brown jeans. These jeans have been missing for, I want to say like a year. Do you remember when I redid my room? I put a bunch of jeans in a basket. They were supposed to be jeans that I barely wear, not my favorite pair of brown jeans. Like honestly thought like the jeans monster had eaten or something. No, I found them and I'm so happy. The brand is actually Time. Doctor Who vibes. And then obviously I was like, well, the mouth is red. And then I was like, I'm kind of missing more layers. I can't just wear 2 things. Remember, autumn outfits key is layering. So I was like, wait, if I wear this under this. And then boom, look, see? Color coordination. Wait, coordination? Like, what's up, coordination? Anyway, I will say this is so baggy that it like falls down a lot. It's giving like lead guy in a shoujo like romance slice of life anime where he's like always rolling up his sleeves. That's what I think it looks good, okay, is what I'm trying to say. Also, actually, I wore this. Now, I already know this is a banger outfit and I've already got pictures of me wearing it, but I'm still gonna give you a try on reveal because I'm nice. I'm nice and I care about my viewers. Guys, I won't lie, I stream in an hour, so if it seems like I'm rushing, boom! Outfit number 1.
What a strong first outfit. I mean, I already knew that I love this and that it was sick. I love it when I make an accidental banger, and that's what happened when I made this outfit the first time. Comfy jeans, I like. Oh, we all know by now that I love it when layers do this. We've got the slouchy, rolled up, long sleeve, so nonchalant thing, and then the cuffs. Yup. I will say, I have been outside the house in this outfit. The second I sit down at a coffee shop, these are coming off, this hat's coming off, my jacket's coming off. It can get overstimulating, but like walking in the cold, it's keeping me warm. So epic banger. So it's the hat. Before you roar, lols, roar. Oh God, I actually did. I'm sorry. I'm leaving.
Okay, outfit number 2, we're gonna build it from scratch because I feel bad that I've given you an outfit that I prepared. How do we build an outfit from scratch? We should start with 1 key piece and build around it. Smidge classic. Let's pick a tie. What's a tie I haven't worn in ages? I haven't worn this one in ages actually. It's like stained glass window kind of ties. Maybe. That's a maybe. I will say an iconic tie that I haven't worn in eons is this one. This like old Mac. I think it's awesome. Let's build around this. Ooh. I do have a new shirt I haven't worn. Now I know what you're thinking. Aside from the fact that it's creased to hell, it's very light and also it's short sleeved. It's giving summer. This with a like vest on underneath with jorts in the summer. We need to autumnify it. So boom, let's put that there. Do you see why I thought of that immediately? It's like I'm in an office. I'm here to file paper. Okay, let's sort this shirt out first. It's too cold. Let's put a t-shirt on underneath. It's short sleeved, so let's give it a long sleeve. Oh, and it's like that layered t-shirt Disney older brother thing that I keep yapping on about. Should we do grey? I think I might do 1 button and leave it open. Are we seeing this? Oh, that's quite nice actually. Actually, speaking of jeans I've recently found again. I found my grey pair of jeans. I thought I lost these. Honestly, no. I thought I gave these away to one of you guys in a bundle because I do that sometimes. Because I have style bundles where I can like style you guys. And sometimes when I get really into a style, I'll be like, oh, you can just have my pair of jeans. If it fits too well, I'll just give them away. And I was so scared I did that to these, but I found them, so it's okay. Oh, come on. Tell me that's not perfect. Okay, without the tie, it's kind of Peter Parker. With the tie, it's like, I work at the bank. Here is $1. No, this is kind of, I work in a science lab. A guy who's never been anywhere, like it's just a shirt. I think this is really cute. I'm very excited. Go try this on.
Reporting for office duty. Don't know why I did that. This shirt in this tie combo is one of the times where I do want to button it all the way to the top and have the tie actually all the way up there. Most of the time I like it loose. But I think this looks better like this. And also adding the star clip. It keeps everything together, but also it keeps everything together, but it... You watch where you're going. Getting out of breath, taking off all these clothes. How do strippers do it? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I just like what, yeah. They're tighter jeans, but I think it goes with the look. As usual, please tell me your favorite outfit in the comments. Let's continue.
Okay, next. What are we thinking? Do you know what, actually? I don't think I've ever done dungarees. Not ever in my life, but in an autumn outfits video. So let's do that. I forgot I did this to them. They're not in the best shape. I'm sensing a pattern. Guys, if I manage to put away my clean clothes, I'm gonna take it or leave it how they are. If I hang it up properly, I'm glad I hung it up at all. Dungarees. Well, this is already giving autumn, like, this is like pumpkin patch. The color is kind of autumn palette. This would work really nicely, actually. But that, oh no, no. Never pair a flannel with dungarees. You will look like a farmer. Maybe for this one, we should keep it simple. What if we just chuck a jumper on or a hoodie? Instead of a hoodie, let's do a jumper and a beanie, and then we've added an extra thing to the outfit. Yes. I really love this jumper actually as well. I always forget I have it. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes I feel like I come across really out of touch because I'll be like, oh my god, I have so many clothes. I just forgot I have it. Babe, no, it's ADHD. If I can't see it, it does not exist. Ceases to exist. Object permanent of a baby. My jumpers play peekaboo when I can't see them. They're gone. I could just wear any old t-shirt under this, but maybe a turtleneck would be good. I am using white in the other outfit that I already had planned. I could do my white beanie. This is cute. This is autumn. And then turtleneck is autumn. Rabbit ear beanie is cute. I love it when my brain makes sense. Okay. Autumn! Wait, are you saying that? Don't wear that outfit again. No, do. Please.
Say hello to the comfiest, coziest outfit you've ever seen in your life. I look like a carrot farmer. I will always love these dungarees. They're definitely my, like, travel outfit. It makes your outfit look interesting when realistic you're just wearing one thing. I do really like the matchy-matchy here. I know it's literally white, but don't care. The shade of orange with this, I think it looks really good together. I feel comfortable and cozy. I feel like I could jump up and down and do a bunch of activities and roll around and have fun and yeah.
For this next one, let's do the other second outfit I planned that I mentioned in the beginning. So this one I posted a TikTok about. Now, let me start where I started. I was like, I want to try red tights. A la thin red tights, disheveled British girl, Rose Tyler. And accidentally, instead, I got, I'm an elf working at Santa's grotto. Tights. Anyway, so this was the starting point. In my charity shop haul, I mentioned these shorts. Then I was like, wait, what if I wore... I'm just gonna play the clip. I'm imagining like an Apple outfit. Those shorts with red tights, with my Apple jumper that I made. So basically this outfit was a premonition. These tights, these shorts. Boom, red Apple, red tights, yup. And then let's do the turtleneck. Because the white, and then the white there. Yeah. This one was speedy because I just knew what I was doing, but I don't think you're ready for how cute this is on.
Okay, your new elf here, reporting for Santa's grotto. Hi, my name's Smidge. I'm auditioning for part of Apple, number 4. I'm not sure what happened to the other 3. Here are the tights in action. I'm gonna be honest, this is a walking around in Brighton outfit, not a walking around in the zone of London which I live in. No, but it's cute, you know? But anyway, the vision was seen. Jesus was seen and executed.
The next one. Oh my god, wait, is this the last one?
Oh, all right.
This is a little hint to a future video. Can you just tell that I'm constantly always working on YouTube videos, so why don't you subscribe, because I'm clearly really hardworking and awesome. But there is a video I'm working on. I finished it today and I really like how it turned out. Look at this. Cute. Well, also don't look too hard because the stitching isn't amazing. Like, it's embroidered. Don't look at the thread either. I think I want this to be the centerpiece. And I just think it wouldn't be fair if we only had one tie outfit in a Smidge video. Like, it just seems wrong. Well, first of all, it's reminding me of that one t-shirt that everyone on TikTok said made me look like Tommy in it. But also, if I wear it in a video in a TikTok, then I'm gonna farm engagement. So, is it worth it? I don't know, but it's the only thing I have that's this color. So sacrifices must be made. Okay, ta-da. like that just goes. Now, if I wanted to be really cool and trendy, I would just have it with no collar, but this is such a wide neck that it would look too weird. Shirt right here, question mark, underneath. That could work. Solid pair of jeans to solidify this outfit. And then realistically, if I was going outside, I'd wear a jacket. I could do hand warmers. These were actually another pair of jeans that I... Wait! Okay. You can tell that they were all my favourite pair of jeans. I accidentally hidden away for no reason, but this is also another pair that was in that basket I found. Anyway, I'm actually so gassed about these jeans. Number one, before you ask, JUNMANNER is the brand. Found them in a charity shop in Newcastle. First thing I love about them, the shade of denim, the yellow stitching. Second thing I love about them, the lace at the top. Third thing, the waist fits me perfectly. Another thing, the way it's done here, it's not tight, but it like cinches you in at the top, but then it's still, it balloons out quite nice, and they're quite wide leg. They also end at my legs perfectly. I don't know how to phrase this without sounding like, I'm aware that like when you watch my videos and like you hear me speak, like you must think that, oh my god, you must be like a really, really tall person. So like I would never think this, but I'm actually quite short, and so finding jeans that don't leave a, like I'm actually at a wedding and I'm going down the aisle. But these end perfectly with shoes on, but whatever. Anyway, safe to say these are awesome. And then on top of that, because of everything I've just said, they work as like perfect non-binary jeans, if that makes sense. Because if I wear a crop top or like a vest or something with them, it shows off the lace, it's giving femme, like it gives me like a figure, like, do you know what I mean? But then also if I wear a baggy t-shirt with it, you can't see the tightness at the top and it's just baggy, and then they're just a baggy pair of jeans. I actually need to kiss whoever made these. What do we think? I think yes. Go try that on.
Oh my god. Holy accidental banger. Yeah. Guys, I feel awesome. This color matching situation that we've got has worked way better than I would have thought. It's awesome. I really like the bagginess. I feel very like, I feel how I look. Clearly thought has been put into it because intricate tie, but the juxtaposition of the intricate detailed tie with the baggy shirt, baggy button up, baggy jeans, it's like, do they care or not? I can't tell. Clearly I do, but you get what I'm saying? Anyway, I just really like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I stream over on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, so go follow me over there. I just put up some new stuff on the shop, leftover stock from SBS, so go catch it if you haven't. I think we have 4 signed posters left, like genuinely only 4 left. Trading cards, if you like trading cards, collect them all. I will see you guys next week for a Halloween special. See you next week.